Ever wanted to create your own song using AI without paying a single dollar? What if your phone could generate original music in seconds just from a simple text idea? Today, I'll show you how to turn your imagination into a real AI-generated song using Google Gemini. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn the smartest tech tricks and AI tools that make your digital life easier. Step 1. Update the Gemini app. First, make sure your Gemini app is updated to the latest version available on your device. Open the App Store or Play Store and check if any update is available for Gemini. New features like AI music generation only appear in the newest versions of the app. Once the update finishes installing, launch Gemini to begin creating your AI music. Step 2. Open Gemini and access the tools. Menu after opening Gemini, look at the bottom of the screen for the Tools button. Tap on it to reveal different AI features available inside the app. These tools include options for creating images, writing content, and now generating music with AI. The Tools section is where you'll find the feature needed to create your first AI song. Step 3. Select the Create Music feature. Inside the Tools menu, find and select Create Music. This option activates Gemini's AI music generator. The feature allows you to produce original songs based entirely on your written prompt. Once selected, the chat box will appear where you can describe your song idea. Step 4. Write a detailed music prompt. Now it's time to describe the song you want Gemini to create. You can specify the genre, mood, theme, instruments, tempo, and style. For example, you might request a relaxing lo-fi beat with piano and soft drums. The more detailed your prompt is, the better and more accurate the AI-generated music will sound. Step 5. Add an image or video for inspiration. Gemini also allows you to attach images or videos to your music prompt. When you upload visual content, the AI analyzes it and generates music that matches the vibe. This is perfect for creating background music for videos, reels, or YouTube content. It's an incredibly powerful way to make your music feel more cinematic and personalized. Quick tip before we continue. If you enjoy learning new AI tools and smart tech tricks, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I upload fresh tutorials every week showing you the latest AI apps, hidden phone features, and powerful online tools you should know about. Step 6. Generate your AI song. Once your prompt is ready, send it in the chat just like a normal message. Gemini will immediately start processing your request. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate a complete music track based on your description. You'll see the generated song appear directly in your chat window. Step 7. Listen to the generated track. When the music is ready, tap the play button to listen to your AI-generated song. Gemini automatically produces a track that matches your prompt's style and mood. You can replay it as many times as you want to evaluate the sound and quality. Many users are surprised by how professional and creative AI music can sound. Step 8. Use the caption and controls. At the top of the music player, you'll notice additional controls. One of these options allows you to turn closed captions on or off. Captions can help if your AI song contains lyrics or spoken elements. This makes it easier to follow along with the generated content. Step 9. Share or download your song. Once you're happy with your track, you can easily share it with others. Gemini allows you to send the music through text messages, email, or social media platforms. You can also download the song directly to your device. The track can be saved as an MP3 file or a video format, perfect for content creation. Step 10. Improve or regenerate the music. If the song isn't exactly what you expected, don't worry. You can ask Gemini to modify the track with a follow-up prompt. For example, you might request faster tempo, different instruments, or a new mood. The AI will generate a new version until you get the perfect sound you're looking for. And that's how you can create original AI music completely free using Google Gemini. This tool is quickly becoming one of the most exciting AI features for creators, musicians, and content producers. Whether you need background music for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or just want to experiment with AI creativity, Gemini makes the entire process incredibly simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more powerful tech tutorials, AI tools, and smart digital tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.